Hi there, I'm here with our commercial partner, Paul Getty. We are here doing we are here at one of our, here at our wonderful Blackhawk Country Club. And we, of course, we serve a nice dinner. It's a workshop. But I wanted Paul to share a little bit about what we're going to be talking about tonight. And then I want to give you guys an opportunity, of course, to come to our next event, which will be probably January, after the holiday. So, Paul, thank you so much for
Well, I got to tell you, there's always a lot to talk about at these events. And one thing that seems to be kind of, unfortunately, making it more difficult to be a landlord in California is the growing kind of rent control. Just last week, we saw a statewide rent control of a sort pass called AB 1482, and tonight we'll be going through some provisions of that. Fortunately, many of us that have single family, the tide is clearly moving in the direction of making it much more difficult to be a landlord in California. As a result, a lot of the folks that have rental properties are coming to our events to really find out alternatives to potentially sell their properties in California and move to more landlord-friendly states like Colorado, Texas, Florida, Georgia. There's many of them. So that's what we'll be talking about tonight. I think the other subject that is really of keen interest to landlords, many landlords are sitting on highly appreciated properties today. When they look at the actual cash flow, and they're real honest with themselves on what that cash flow really is, because many hours in terms of management costs and so on, but when you really do the true accounting, what we find again and again is that the actual cash flow as a percentage of appreciation is in the low single digits.
Exactly. We have investor clients all over. We've worked with investors for years, and they all complain or have concern about how can they gain a higher return, which is what you're here to share. Tax law changes, how do they make sure that they're aware of tax laws? And then if they do want to look at something like a 1031 exchange into something that's more profitable for them, you're going to, of course, walk them through how to do that.
And the thing is, this is a very dynamic subject, because even those of you that have been familiarized with 1031 exchanges and maybe considered options, even as recently as a year ago, the landscape has changed dramatically, and it's changing at a very rapid pace now. Also, there are more opportunities available outside of California today than we saw a year ago. And we'll get into some categories of that tonight and in our future workshops here.
Yeah, that's great. And of course, we're here at the beautiful Blackhawk Country Club, but you can't go wrong. A workshop talking about saving money on your taxes and better investment strategy, and then here with this beautiful setting. And of course, we have a wonderful dinner. We'll let our clients know the next date. We're going to go after the holidays, so sometime now and then. Paul's here to answer, right?
And don't forget about my best-selling book.
That's right. Well, Paul, exactly. You're an expert on 1031 exchange, so tell them the name of the book and how can they get a copy of it?
I have a book on Amazon. You can look at my name, Paul Getty, and it's called Real Estate Tax Deferral Strategies Utilizing the Delaware Statutory Trust. A long title name, but essentially it summarizes a lot of the topics that we get into in these workshops. And it's a great book to get. If you email Lisa, I want to put your email out there, we'll send you a free download to get the book for free, because we like free better than paying Amazon $30, right? So that's a deal.
Free is definitely better. So yeah, if you guys reach out to me, everyone that's watching this, of course, I'm connected with. They're my peeps on Facebook and all. So you guys have any questions about that, of course, I'll get you a free copy from Paul. And then any questions you have about any of your properties, anything that we can do to help you. Like I said, we have our investor clients call us all the time with the stress and strain of managing multiple rentals, and Paul has a very good solution to that. So, so thanks so much for watching. Take care. See you soon.
Looking forward to seeing you guys. Bye.